आपल्या सर्वांचे टॅलेंटेड नॉलेजमध्ये स्वागत आहे। आज आपला मॅथ फर्स्टचा म्हणजे अल्जेब्राचा पेपर पार पडला व आपण लगेच घेऊन आलेलो आहोत त्याची उत्तरे एका तासाच्या आत। चला तर पाहूया मग पेपर कसा होता मला कमेंटमध्ये नक्कीच सांगा तुम्हाला कसा वाटला। तर पहिला क्वेश्चन होता एमसीक्यू बद्दल, विच वन इज अ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन। ह्याचे बी आन्सर आहे कारण की x × x x स्क्वेअर होईल, बाकीचे नाही आहेत तुम्ही पाहू शकता। आपण स्पीडमध्ये घेत आहोत कारण की आपल्याला वेळेत कवर करायचे आहे। फर्स्ट फोर टर्म्स ऑफ एन एफ ई आर हुज फर्स्ट टर्म इज -2 and common difference is also -2. The C answer in first term is -2 and common difference is also -2. The third MCQ बघू आपण, for the simultaneous equation in variable x and y dx is equal to 49 and dy is equal to -63, d is equal to 7, then what is the value of y? dy upon d is equal to y minus 63 upon 7 is equal to -9. Option is D. Let's see further. Question number 4. Which number cannot represent a probability? Option A 1.5 cannot represent a probability. Let's move ahead. Question first B. Solve the following sub questions. We can see firstly, to draw a graph of 4x plus 5y is equal to 19. Find y when x is equal to 1. I have written here 4x plus 5y is equal to 19, x is equal to 1, 4 plus 5y is equal to 19, that is y is equal to 3. Understood? Let's move ahead. Second question, determine whether 2 is a root of quadratic equation to m square minus 5m is equal to 0. We just have to substitute value of m as 2. After substituting, I have concluded that 2 is not the root of the given equation. It's for just 1 mark. Write the second and third term of AP whose first term is 6 and common difference is -3. You have to write all the steps. Because of time management, I haven't written all the steps. A is equal to 6, D is equal to -3. Here T1 is equal to 6, T2 is equal to 3 and T3 is equal to 0. The fourth question, the two coins are tossed simultaneously. Write a sample space. Sample space HH, that means heads heads, heads tails, tails heads, and both ends are tails. We have seen a question number 2A. Complete the following activities. It must be start on new page. Complete the activity to find the value of determinant. You have to complete all the activity and as like the box says, but due to time management I haven't written the all. You can understood it. The first activity, we have to find the value. It is 0. You can see on the screen. Moving further ahead, complete the following activity to find the 19th term of an AP. We have to find 19th term of a given AP. You can see on your screen. You can also take screenshot of it. I have got the T19 is 115. Let's move further. If one die is rolled, then to find the probability of an event to get prime number on the upper face, complete the following activity. I have only completed the box, but you have to written all the activity. Sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As we know, prime numbers are only 2, 3 and 5. That is probability is 1/2. You have to written all the steps. I haven't. Let's move further. Question number 2B. Its credited will be 8 marks. To solve the following simultaneous equation by Cramer's root, we have to find the value of dx and dy. I have solved. You can see dx is equal to 20 and dy is equal to 40. You can check also. Don't trust me. Let's move further with second question. A box contains 5 red, 8 blue and 3 green pens. Rutuja wants to pick up a pen random. What is the probability that the pen is blue? Firstly, we have to conclude sample points. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 3, 16. That is n of s is equal to 16 and n of a is equal to 8. That is 8 balloons. the probability of event A is half. You have to return all the steps. Let's move ahead. Third question, it was quite different. Find the sum of first n even natural numbers. Okay, we have to. The first even natural numbers starts from 2, as we know. The common difference between even numbers is 2 also. We have also know the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. As you can see, I have only put forth the values and I conclude with the equation Sn is equal to n minus 1 into n. This will be the sum of first natural even numbers. Okay, understood? Let's move further with fourth question. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. It's too simple. X square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. I have solved it. X square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. I have got the answer x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 4. The next question and the last, find the values for x plus y and x minus y from the following simultaneous equations. We have to just add it once and just subtract it once. I have got the x minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 10. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe my channel Talented Knowledge. Let's move ahead with the next question, question 3a. Complete the following activity and rewrite it. You have to write all the activities, but I haven't written it. So, in the first activity, I got the x is equal to 3 in first filling the blank. Second is also 3, third filling the blank is also 3, fourth filling the blank is 9k, fifth is 27 and sixth is 3. You have to credit 3 marks out of it. It's too simple. The next question is about also activity. N of A is 4, probability of A, you have to write formula first, then you have to write P of A, that 1 upon 13, you can saw in my answer sheet. Understood? Let's move further. Question 3b. Solve the simultaneous equation by using graphical method. I haven't solved it because of deficiency of a graph paper. If any 20 persons will comment me for this question, I will definitely become a separate video on it. But I can't need it. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row, 24 seats in the third row, and so on. Find how many total seats are there in all the auditorium. We have to find the sum, and this is the formula upon the AP. So, I have written in shorts, but you have to complete all the steps due to 4 marks. Sn, n is 27, that is 27 rows, A is 20 because in the first row there are 20 seats and 2 seats gonna added in each row. I have got 1242 seats total. You can check upon. Okay, let's move further. The sum of present ages of Manish and Savita is 31. Manish's age is 3 years ago was 4 times the age of Savita. At that time, find their present ages. You have to complete all the steps. Let's assume Manish is x years and Savita's y years. From first condition, x plus y is 31. Okay. From second condition, 3 years ago, Manish is what? 4 times age of Savita. Firstly, we have to write Manish is 3 years ago, x minus 3. And Savita's age 3 years ago, y minus 3. I have got the equation x minus 4y is equal to minus 9. You can see on the screen. Multiply equation first by 4, that leads to the 4x plus 4y is equal to 124. Add equation second and third. I have got the age of Manish is 23 and age of Savita is 8 years. Let's check the next example. Solve the following quadratic equation using formula method. X square plus 10x plus 2. Too simple. B square minus 4ac is 96. I have got this answer, you can see. Let us see the hot questions. Question number 4. If 460 is divided by a natural number, then quotient is 2 more than 9 times the divisor and the remainder is 5. Find the quotient and divisor. See carefully, let x be the natural number, that is divisor. We know the one formula, that is dividend upon divisor minus remainder is our quotient. From the given condition, 460 is divided by x and 5 is remainder. So I written the 460 minus 5 upon x, and quotient is 2 more than 9 times the divisor. So I written the 9x plus 2. We have to solve the equation by formula. B square minus 4ac is 16,384. It is the square of 128. From the formula, I have got the value of x is 7. That is, we got our divisor is 7 and we have to conclude our quotient. As we know, the quotient is 2 more than 9 times. Then 9 times 63 plus 2 is 65. I have done in very short manner, but you have to complete all the steps because it is for 4 marks. Let's move further. If the 9th term of an AP is 0, then prove that the 29th term is double of the 19th term. 9th term, that means a plus 8d is equal to 0. 19th term is a plus 18d, and also 29th term is a plus 28d. We have written 19th term as a plus 8d plus 10d and 29th term as a plus 8d plus 10d. As from the above equation, a plus 8d is equal to 0. Hence, we have proved that T19 is equal to 10d and T20 is equal to 20d. Okay, that's so simple. Let's conclude next example. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 24 cm. The length of its congruent sides is 13 cm less than twice the length of the base. Find the length of all sides. Let's assume the base as x cm. Other sides will be less than 13 of twice. Okay, that is 2x minus 13. The perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. So we have x plus 2 twice because the isosceles triangle, that is 24 is equal to x plus 4x minus 26. 26 will come here, 5x is equal to 50. That I have got the base is equal to 10 cm. That is all sides 10, 7 and 7. You can find that. I have to shorten. Okay, let's check our next question. Question number 5. A bag contains 8 red and some blue balloons. Okay, one ball is drawn at random from the bag. If the ratio probability of getting red ball and blue ball is 2:5, then find the number of blue balls. Okay, let's see it ahead. There are 8 red balls and will be x blue balls. Okay. N of s, that is total balls are x plus 8 because blue are x and red are 8. Number of AB event of red balls, that is 8, and event B is blue balls, that is x. We have given a condition, the ratio of red balls to the blue balls, that is 2:5. We have to only simple the equation that 8 upon x is equal to 2 upon 5. 5 is multiplied to x, 40. 40 upon 2 is equal to 20. That is, there are 20 blue balls in that bag. Okay, understood? If I have any difficulty, let's don't comment. I will solve it. Let's move further. Measure of an angle of a triangle are in AP. Okay, the measure of smallest angle is 5 times of the common difference. Find the measures of all angles. We have assumed the measure of angles as a plus d, a plus 2d. Okay, let's see. We know the property of triangle that all sides are the measure of 180 degree. From equation, we've got that a plus d is equal to 60 degree. And from second condition, the measure of smallest angle, the measure of common difference is 5 times the smallest angle, that is 5a is equal to d. It is our second equation. We have to just add the first and second, and we have got the value of a, that is 10. From it, we have to substitute in equation second, that is value of d is equal to 50. From such a simple manner, we get all the angle that first angle, their smallest angle is 10 degree, second angle is 16 degree, and third angle is 110 degree. I have took too many efforts for you, so please like the video and subscribe my channel for such answer keys. Okay, bye.